5 reasons to choose granite for your countertops. Dear friends, there are many reasons that granite countertops are among the hottest high-end options for the kitchen and bathroom. Their popularity seems to have staying power, and may be growing, as new granite countertop options are made available for home remodeling. Here are the 5 benefits of installing granite countertops. Granite is tough and durable. Granite is rock hard, literally. It's second only to diamond in terms of the hardness of natural materials. When properly installed, it resists chipping, scratching and cracking. Because of their hardness, granite counters are also heat resistant. While it's not recommended, if you occasionally set a hot pan or tray directly on the countertop, it won't damage it the way it would laminate, wood and other softer materials. Maintenance is easy. The granite counters must be properly sealed, and that's why it's a great idea to have an experienced professional do the installation. But when sealed according to the manufacturer's guidelines, the granite countertop will resist staining and bacteria. This makes cleanup easy using soap and water, or with a cleaner designed for your granite. Get to spill juice quickly, which you should do with any countertop material, and you'll enjoy a stain-free counter surface that looks like new for decades. Granite boosts a home's value. New granite countertops make your home more valuable as well as more attractive. The return on your investment can be as high as 100%. That means they'll potentially increase your home's market value by the amount you spend on them. Here's another way to look at it. If potential buyers are looking at 2 homes and your home has granite countertops while the other one doesn't, the granite might make the difference in which home they select. They're a great long-term investment. While you're enjoying your countertops made from granite over the next 30+ years, one neighbor might be replacing their laminate counters 3 times while another replaces wood countertops twice and has them refinished a few times. They'll last twice as long as popular materials like quartz or soapstone in some cases. Here's the point, in the long run, granite countertops are a very cost-effective solution for many homeowners. Granite countertops offer stunning beauty. For all their other qualities, what really stands out about granite counters are their gorgeous appearance. The natural appeal of the stone, with its textured, gently hued beauty, is unsurpassed by most any other material. Conclusion: granite counters work well in the kitchen and bathroom. The key is to have them installed by an experienced professional who will properly seal them. If they've already been installed, they still need to be sealed. Make sure to hire an experienced professional, or do it yourself. Keep your granite countertops maintained, and they'll continue to give you outstanding beauty and performance in the decades ahead. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.